Hi and welcome to session 2. I hope you had a chance to try out this technique yesterday during your workday. And if you did, could you notice how your mind became more focused and still after the practice? Keep practicing with patience and persistence, and a laser-sharp focus will soon be yours. Attention is a limited resource, and you may notice that after intense work, you struggle to concentrate on the next task at hand. So if you find it difficult to focus on a task, schedule it for the morning, which is a time when we usually have the most energy to focus. Of course, with continued practice, your focus will be strong no matter what time of day. So let's begin today's session. Make yourself comfortable and take a few slow, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Notice and experience the sensations of your abdomen, rising and falling as you breathe in and out. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms, gently close your eyes and bring your attention to the contact between your body and the chair. Experience those sensations. Turn your attention now to all the sounds around you, hearing all the sounds. If it is quiet, then pay close attention and explore the quality of silence. Moving your attention to your breath, allowing your body to breathe in its own natural rhythms. Experience the rising and falling of your abdomen, experiencing each moment. Staying relaxed but alert and aware. Now move your attention to both your nostrils and experience the sensations of air entering and leaving your nostrils. Now maintain focus only on the left nostril, experiencing the sensations of air moving in and out only through the left nostril. Experience and notice the temperature and texture of air. You're not observing it as if from far away, but bringing your attention close to the left nostril, staying present at each moment. Moving your attention now to only the right nostril. Experience the sensations of air moving in and air moving out. Staying present, focusing only on the right nostril. Now check in on your mind, and if your mind is moving away, then gently bring it back. Moving your attention back to the left nostril, staying present and experiencing the sensations only at the left nostril. And moving your attention back to the right nostril. Now experience the sensations in both the right and the left nostrils. Moving your attention back to the movements of your abdomen, experiencing once again the rising and falling. Noticing once again the contact between your body and the chair. Notice the contact of air on your skin. Notice any light shining through your eyelids. And slowly and gently open your eyes. So how was today's session? Don't worry if your mind wanders during the practice. That's perfectly natural. All you have to do is to keep bringing it back to the focus, and the mind will gradually become accustomed to staying at one place. Research proves that even a few weeks of meditation increases the thickness of the part of the brain that helps with focus. That's incredible, isn't it? The brain actually changing, being strengthened by this simple practice. An important aspect of building focus is to know when your mind is not in focus. So before your next session, notice every now and then, whenever your mind wanders away from your work, notice where the mind goes and what it does. And just as you did today with your breath, see if you can bring it back to your task. Try that, have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 3.